Welcome to Pass First Try. This is your complete guide to getting your CDL in 2026, every step from start to finish. Whether you are just starting to think about it or ready to take action today, this video covers the whole process. Let's go. Step 1. Get your commercial learner's permit. Before you can take the CDL skills test, you must hold a CLP for at least 14 days. To get your CLP, visit your state's DMV with your regular driver's license, proof of social security number, and proof of state residency. You will take written knowledge tests on general knowledge plus any endorsements you need, hazmat, passenger, air brakes. Step 2. Pass the DOT medical examination. All CDL drivers must have a valid DOT medical certificate. You will visit a FMCSA certified medical examiner, your physician may be one, or you can find one at the FMCSA National Registry website. The exam checks vision, hearing, blood pressure, and general health. You must pass this before your skills test. Step 3. Study the CDL manual. Your state CDL manual is available free at the DMV website. Study general knowledge, plus the sections for any endorsements or vehicle types you need. Read each section at least twice and take practice tests. Plan 4 to 8 weeks of study time if you are learning independently. CDL schools can accelerate this process. Step 4. Pass the CDL skills test. The skills test has 3 parts: the pre-trip vehicle inspection, basic vehicle control, backing, offset backing, and alley docking, and the on-road driving test. You must bring a properly equipped vehicle that matches the class of CDL you are testing for. Many candidates use their employer's truck or rent one through a CDL school. Step 5. Understand the costs and timeline. CDL costs vary by state and path. Self-study CLP test fees, typically $50 to $150. Skills test fee, typically $75 to $200. CDL school programs, $3,000 to $10,000, but many trucking companies offer free CDL training in exchange for a 1 to 2 year commitment to drive for them. Check company-sponsored CDL programs, they can pay for everything. Step 6. Choose your class and endorsements. Class A CDL allows you to drive combination vehicles over 26,001 pounds, tractor-trailers. Class B allows straight trucks and buses over 26,001 pounds. Class C covers smaller vehicles carrying hazmat or 16-plus passengers. Endorsements like hazmat, tanker, and passenger add to your value and earning potential. Plan ahead for what you want to haul. What to expect on the CDL written test day. Arrive early. Bring your required documents, your regular driver's license, proof of residency, and social security card or proof. You may take the tests from multiple sections in one visit. The tests are computer-based at most DMVs. Most states require a score of 80% or higher to pass. Warning: common mistakes to avoid. Do not drive a vehicle requiring a CDL without one, it is a serious violation. Do not forget your medical card, you must carry it while driving. Do not ignore hours of service rules, log your time from your very first day. Do not skip the pre-trip inspection, it is required by federal law every single trip. Your CDL action plan, everything in order. Review this checklist, complete each step, and you will have your CDL in hand within a few weeks to a few months depending on your pace. The career rewards are worth every hour of study. Average CDL driver salary, $65,000 to $85,000 per year with benefits. Subscribe to Ready Ace Pass for daily CDL practice tests and study guides. Every topic, every day. You have what it takes, study hard and pass first try.